What's up, you guys? I just wanted to show you a little update video on what I'm doing because it's what I'm just doing with my life now. Apparently it's making all of the coasters for the wedding and super pumped with how they're turning out.
Coasters?
Did I say coasters? You know what I mean. Words are hard and these are tumblers, not coasters. I'm not doing coasters.
Don't show that one. It's
I only got the back of that one. So this is what some of them look like. All of these I repainted over because they looked horrible.
They didn't look horrible. They looked great. We did a little bit of hurry.
We did all the kinds. We did some
Burnouts.
of these burnouts. I did just copper leaf inlays. I did some of that.
Very
kind
simple,
of look.
but it looks good.
Super simple ones, but
Look how
some
fun
of them
that
are a
is.
little bit extra with little swirly doos.
Swirly doos.
It's a technical term. Whatever.
Ooh, swirlies. Ooh, those burnouts. It's like old wood.
I think I want to
Old
do a
painted
burnout
wood.
on this one.
Oh, that's fun.
It's little tadpoles. I want to redo over this one because I don't even know. I think I was just tired of the illusional on that one.
Quite a few.
Little splash looking one. I like that one.
You put them all back in their things.
I did more of that kind. We got some solid glitter. These are my wedding colors because it's various forms of patina.
Can't show that one. Whoa. Crazy for copper. That's what we call it.
So yeah, I
Show
have
that one.
basically just
Whoa.
completed all 70 of my, not coasters, but
Looks great.
tumblers for the wedding.
Tumblers.
So
Bobby's in there barking at the bathtub.
he does that.
That's fun.
So which one do you think is y'all's favorite? Let me know down in the comments below. I've got box, 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 box. And this is it. This is the finale. This is what we got left. Anyways, I hope to be able to go live tomorrow. Thank you guys for your patience while we finalize our wedding stuff. Y'all are amazing. We love you guys super, super much. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Be kind to one another because you never know. I almost said because you never know who sent you. But see, because I'm reading like who sent you.
I never know who sent you.
Be kind because you never know who sent you. I think I need a nap. No time for naps. All right, be kind to one another. You never know what someone's going through.
And always remember, we do the test.
Oh, I can't turn around it. She can take it. So you don't have to. Ooh, ah. And Bowie.